Welcome to Zulu Stories, where we bring you authentic voices of Zulu heritage. Subscribe so you never miss a story that lives beyond fashion. Into culture.com today, we step into the story of Wendy, a young Zulu maiden, graceful, confident, and deeply rooted in her identity. During community festivals, she participates wrapped in bold purple feathers and crowned with vibrant beadwork. She doesn't just wear an outfit which commands attention. Every color speaks celebration. Every detail tells a story of pride, power, and presence. Her smile carries warmth, but her spirit carries tradition. She does not only wear culture, she lives it through song, through dance, and through ceremonial dress. She honors the footsteps of her ancestors. At the sacred reed dance festival, known as Umkhosi woMhlanga, maidens gather in unity, each carrying a reed cut with care. At the end of the ceremony, these reeds are presented in a symbolic act of respect to the Zulu monarchy. But this is not just about reeds. It represents unity, purity, and the living strength of tradition passed through generations. This is not fashion, this is heritage, a living culture still breathing today. Wendy continues to bloom. Please like and subscribe, this helps our channel get to more people.